just passed some people and they said they like my outfit.
The kids or the adults?
Kids. I'm hip.
Out and walking with him.
That's our backup cam. Here he is. So we parked and I looked out the window and I was like, oh my god, there's just a bison walking down the road. Wow, look at that. It's going off. We got here just in the nick of time. Old Faithful's going off. So this lodge over here, that is what Disney's Wilderness Lodge is actually loosely based off of. What did you think, Kyle?
We missed it a little bit.
All right, so we are walking around. We are in the geyser, what would you call it? Like a geyser nursery field?
Nursery.
Pump geyser, look at it pumping. I love these little like bacterial formations. What do you think of this, Holly?
Smelly. But it's very beautiful. Nature is weird and amazing. What?
Kyle?
I'm ready to not stand in the wake of the smell.
Oh, look at it's a termite mound geyser. That's silent but deadly geyser.
Oh, what a strange place to poop.
Well, when you gotta go, you gotta go. To make this adventure a little bit more enjoyable, Holly had a great idea. So instead of reading the names of the different geysers, we're making up our own.
We just passed Steamy Geyser.
Steamy Geyser. We just passed Shallow How, Anthill Geyser. We had Silent but Deadly Geyser.
Dead Pool and Death Pool.
Dead and Death Pool geysers. They're real names because the ones they tell you aren't their real names.
Those are their fake. Those are their commercial names, you know.
Right. Those are their commercial names. We know their geological names. Their scientific genus species names.
Look, it's Lava Hill.
Oh yes, I remember Lava Hill. That's right. It's so pretty. Isn't this nice? Makes me want to move it all night long.
There's another one. See, I'm just gonna kill them all and then we don't have to worry about it.
Oh, okay. Good. Thanks. Woo! The mosquitoes here are terrible. I just got one in my ear. I don't recommend coming out without bug spray. But here it comes. It's gonna bubble.
Wow. Oh, that was it.
It burped. I think that might have been it. What'd you think of Solitary Geyser?
Lame.
Kyle, thoughts?
Too many mosquitoes.
All right, let's go down.
So this was a man-made one.
What?
It is?
Yeah, it says it used to just be a hot spring. They put a pipe in it. It turned into a geyser.
Huh.
So you learned again.
Cool.
Not.
Alright, so we're gonna head back down. I left the front door unlocked, so Waffles is in the camper in the parking lot by herself.
With bison roaming
With
around.
bison roaming around.
Open the door.
They could just open it that easy because it's not locked. We only have one more stop left on our trek, and that's to see the lodge real fast. Because it is really cool. And Kyle's gonna buy us ice cream.
Yay.
So we'll share a little bit of that in a few minutes. Bye! Alright, so we're walking up to the lodge, and for the second time today, Old Faithful decided to go off just as we're walking up because we are that awesome. Old Faithful's going off and Holly's taking pictures of the sunset. She's a Florida girl. You're a Florida girl.
I know. I think it faked us out again.
Reactions?
We did the same thing.
What'd you think?
It's cool.
It's really cool.
It didn't last very long.
All right, now that we've seen the geyser go off,
Time to get ice cream.
let's go get ice cream. I want to see what your reaction is when we go in.
Cool.
All right, welcome. Ready, Hal?
Yes. Wow, look at that clock.
Haha. How you like that? Isn't that cool?
It does look a lot like it.
Yeah. So once again, this is the Old Faithful Inn, and it was actually what Disney used as a rough model for the Wilderness Lodge in Disney World. You can kind of see some of the similarities in the woodwork and in the chimney for the fireplace. It's pretty cool.